Yeah, you're right, guys and girls, welcome back to my channel. So just looking at this huge helicopter. They've got a couple over here as well, just showing this one here at the moment. My god, this is like an armed helicopter. Actually, if I take my mum around in a minute, I want to just try and get in a bit closer. Sorry about the out of focus stuff, just trying to, my god, look at that, missiles. I think this is where they have like these sort of, actually if we get close, you can actually see, I suppose that's where they put them rockets and stuff through there. And then, let's just see if I can focus in a bit. So it's more focused out. Now this is, doesn't actually tell you, but I think this is the one with the AK-47s. So basically, we're gonna have something like in here. Don't know if you can see with the light and all that in here, but it's quite cool.
Hang on, I haven't finished looking.
That's the cockpit bit inside there. There's a little door just here. And like there as well. Absolutely huge, these. I suppose this looks like a spring. This could be like a sort of spring loaded, like you put the something onto here. Looks like you sprint onto it, maybe, I don't know, but looks pretty cool. Now you can see the rotor at the top as well. Definitely gonna have to call it a rotor because that, well, actually that bit at the top is the rotor up there, and it says, what's this? Danger aircraft on jack. So they've got them on jacked up at the moment. So this is, actually, can I go out? No, I can't get in anymore. But it looks quite cool, this aircraft here. They've got these ones over here, little green ones. I don't even know how they actually fitted all of these aircrafts in here in the first place. I'm going to go round. Bristol Belvedere nose section restorations. So this must be the Belvedere. Oh no, this is the Mill My One Hair without the eye on it. This is a different sort of hair and all that. And as you can see, I've actually noticed this one here, this aircraft here, is actually got a gun loaded to it. No wonder it says armed aircraft, because I suppose this would be all, I don't know if these are in production as well. Oh, and they've got a display thing on for tomorrow, because they're going to be doing the air day for the helicopter museum, or helicopter day, which is the aircrafts basically here. Let's see if I can, because there's a bit too light in here actually, to be honest. But they've got quite a few of these little helicopters on display here on the tables, and little propellers. I suppose they sell half of these off, or just have them on display and all that. Actually, let's put this down to 150 for a second, because I like these ones. Oh, they've got yeah, this one where you can actually look inside here a little bit. Actually, there we go, 1/30th of a second, so it's much brighter in here. You can see the actual roof bit. There's the floor. I'm actually recording this as well in like 10 to 20 millimeter on the lens. Pretty cool. Faster than Apache, this machine boasts incredible firepower, deadly versatile. It weighs a whopping 13 tons, approximately the same weight as 4.5 male African elephants. At one point it was also the world's fastest rotorcraft, and it began its combat life in Somalia in 1978, and since then has played a major role in almost every conflict since it is still being used by the military today in 34 different countries. Oh, so they're still using this then, guys and girls. So yeah, that was correct. So I don't know if these are actually rockets or something, missiles or torpedoes or something. Well, torpedoes I wouldn't say, but missiles they usually have on aircrafts, especially armed aircrafts. Anyway, guys and girls, cheers for watching this one.